Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. This is about importing files and mainly like photographs. So let's say I'm doing a photograph collage and I want to bring in a bunch of photographs. I'm going to go to File and Import, and I'm going to go to my file, um, wildlife. I take a lot of wildlife pictures with trail cam deal, and if I want to make a collage, I can't spell today. Well, I can't spell any day, but and then I'm going to pick 2025 and I'm going to pick turkeys. And let's say I want this turkey, and then I got to go import it and hit enter. But then I've got to go to File and Import. So let's delete that one. Well, this will work. Let's say I want that picture. I'm going to hold down the Shift key. I want that picture, that picture, that picture, that picture, that picture, and that picture. And then all I have to do is go import and then just click my mouse all over the room. I mean, you could stack them right on top of each other, but this way you can see when you're done and you have all those pictures. Saves me a lot of time when I'm making. I didn't realize I did that many. I think I'm doubling up here. Nope, because that's a smaller one. So now I've got a collage of pictures that I can look at and pick through and make my collage. I'm quite proud of this one. Recently, I caught 19 turkeys in one trail cam shot. There's a gobbler. So instead of going one at a time, you can import a lot of pictures all at one time. Anyway, hope that gave you a little bit of information. And this could be clip art, anything you have in a folder, you could bring a bunch in. And what I like about this, sometimes they're kind of hard to see on the little icons of the deal, and you could take them all and line them up and distribute them and make a collage or delete some of the ones you don't need. So think about that next time you're doing a bunch of pictures. Anyway, hope that gave you a little bit of an idea, and thank you for watching.